and we're still in Cheltenham. We've come out for the day. We're in a place called Montpellier.
Montpellier, it's a region or a district of Cheltenham.
Yeah, so we're going to have a walk round here. Some imperial gardens and things down here. It looks like a very historical town, so we'll have a quick look and see what we can find. This is the courtyard.
Courtyard, isn't it? Signposts as speciality shopping. So if you like your specialities, get yourself down
What's
here.
a speciality? Does it mean designer?
Bang & Olufsen, look, Lisa.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah, I like a bit of bang.
No, they're a good sound system, aren't they?
Mm.
Yeah, it's all closed today because it's New Year's Day.
There's a cafe open up the road, isn't there?
There's only us nutters walking around today.
Well, there's a few people, aren't there? Nice and quiet, just what you want. Well, we'll continue, shall we?
So we've just come down to the Imperial Gardens. We're going to go and see what we can find there. When Mark's finished Googling where we are. Yeah, looks like it's ice skating. Let's go and have a look and see what that is all about. So this is Cheltenham, centre of Cheltenham, somewhere we've never been before.
We're just outside the Queen's Hotel. It's well, it looks like a big hotel anyway, so it's called the Queen's.
It's massive, isn't it? Really pretty.
It's a big place, that. Look at that. I bet that's a lot of money a night, right in the centre here, with all these pubs and everything around. There's a big memorial, isn't there? Yeah. Outside. So this memorial records the names of those from the borough who gave their lives in the Crimean War. During the war of 1939 to 1945, the gun was handed to the government to provide details for armaments. Armaments? Can't say it. There you go. There's all the names.
People skating on a New Year's Day, enjoying themselves. It really doesn't feel like a Saturday today, does it?
No, this is Imperial Park, isn't it? There's a big greenhouse down there. Shall we go and have a look?
Yeah.
Looks like oranges growing there.
What's this called? #skate.
Yeah.
So we've just been walking around Cheltenham and we've come across this. Have a look at this behind me. It's called the Manotaur.
Sorry.
And the Hare.
The Hare and the Manotaur.
But obviously, everyone can see where everyone's going to be looking. Oh my goodness.
I thought it would look like me for a minute.
Bit of a big boy. The Manotaur and the Hare, it's been here since, it was sculpted in 1998 and it was purchased by the people of Cheltenham in 1995. There we go. Go and stand next to it, you can see the size of it then, Mark.
What? Between each legs?
No. Hurry up. You're an idiot.
It's cold.
I don't know if you can see these, but some really pretty decorations in the trees. And I bet when the sun catches them,
like glisten, don't they?
Yeah.
It's like someone taking a picture a minute ago, son just caught one.
Yeah, that's not the answer.
Big reindeer, isn't it?
I hope that don't poo.
I've seen one that big, it's massive, isn't it?
Huge, isn't it? Can I have that one for the garden instead of that other one? That's quite a bit of Cheltenham that we've just been round. It's a bit like a mini London. All the houses and everything. I'll just show you what I mean. They've all got like these, what do you call them, Mark? Outside, you know, the bollards. Yeah. And they're all like white and very much like London, I think, but on a tinier scale. So we're going to head back now to our van and see what we can get for dinner. Yeah. No, don't say it, please. Right, so Mark's just nipped out. He's nipped out to, guess what? Pick up a Chinese. I've ordered it because Mark has incorporated somehow that New Year, which is New Year's Day today, is Chinese New Year. So I've let him have one today. Aren't I nice? Ordered it, paid for it. He's gone to collect it and he's on his way back with it. So I'm going to get all the plates ready now. But what he doesn't know is it's the 1st of January, so this is last Chinese. So as of tomorrow, it's back on to green veg, salads and healthy eating. Happy New Year, Mark. So here it is. This is the final Chinese of 2022. Prawn toast, shrimp fried rice and salt and pepper chicken. Enjoy.
Final.
So New Year's Day, Mark's got his Chinese, even I've had some. What more could you ask for? Sat here all comfy, in your van, our friends Rob and Lynn on the TV, nice and warm, and one happy boy. Happy New Year, everybody!
There's a bloke over there just stopped in Rivet.